Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you and I'm going to give you 3 secrets to affiliate marketing that the gurus are not telling you, and how you can succeed online and become a total boss of your life. So if you've come online and you want to become successful, well, on this channel and on these videos, I talk to you about how to become a total boss of your life, how to be able to do the fun things that you want, not be tied down to some cubicle or some job or somebody else telling you what to do. You able to create your own dreams and your own lifestyle that you want. And you can do that online, and you can do it with some strategies and some tools, and we can talk about affiliate marketing right here on this video. Now, before we do that though, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. Affiliate marketing is going to be one of the easiest ways to get up and get running with creating that lifestyle that you want online. It's very simple, it's very easy. There's businesses, there's companies, there's products, there's services, there's all kinds of amazing things that you can do out there that you can promote and start earning commissions and start earning sales. But there's really these 3 secrets that I want to give you that's going to help you succeed, it's going to help you move forward with affiliate marketing online. Okay, and these aren't really taught, they're not really given out there by the gurus, and it's really important that you understand these, and then if you follow these, it's going to really propel your success. Okay, so the first one is with affiliate marketing is going to be targeted traffic. It's going to be targeted audience. You have a product or service that you're going to be creating some kind of value for people. You're going to solve a really big problem. You got to have the targeted traffic for that. So example would be a YouTube channel like this. You would create a YouTube channel around a particular product. So I'll give you an example. Amazon has an affiliate program. You can take any products inside of the Amazon marketplace, you can promote them, and you can make a commission from them. Now, they're not really big commissions. You're only going to earn about 5 or 6%, but it's good money, and people buying trillions or billions and hundreds, almost $1 trillion worth of products online at Amazon. So when you created a YouTube channel, and I'll give you an example. If you have, if your passion is cameras, right? Maybe it's Canon cameras, Canon DSLR cameras. That would be very targeted. That would be a very niche specific channel that you would create. So you would create a channel around DSLR, Canon cameras, and all you would do is talk about that particular product. And inside the description, you would put a link to a Canon DSLR camera that you like, or maybe you talked about, send it to Amazon, and you would get a percentage on that. Now, some of those cameras can run you like $3,000. So you take 5 or 6% of $3,000, that adds up pretty quick. So that's the power of affiliate marketing, but it's also the power of a niche market. Okay, you can do this with any product, you can do it with any service. But it's the targeted audience is going to be so important, because if somebody comes to your YouTube channel that you create and you're talking about DSLR cameras and you're talking about the different lenses and the different things inside of the camera, somebody's going to be interested in that, and you're going to say, hey, if you like this camera, click on the link below this video. It's going to take you to a website that's going to show you how to get this camera right here that I just talked about. Okay, that's going to be very niche specific. You can do this with anything. You can do it with a blog if you wanted to. You can create a blog just around a camera, okay, around a particular camera. That's why I don't really, it's good to niche it down. If you just had maybe if you had a YouTube channel that talks about all kinds of different cameras, it would be good, and you could probably sell a lot more cameras, but it wouldn't be very, very niche specific, okay? Canon DSLR is going to be very niche specific. Sony DSLR camera is going to be very niche specific. Maybe you could be anything that you want to sell, anything that you enjoy that you want to sell online. Amazon's going to have a product like that. Same thing with all the other products that you have online. If you go to JVZoo, or you go to Warrior Plus, or CJ.com, which is Commission Junction. If you go to ClickBank, right? Any of these products that you have out there, you can create a niche audience around any of those products. So fitness, you could do fitness. Fitness would be too broad, but if you did CrossFit, it would be very niche specific. If you did CrossFit just specifically for women between the age of 30 and 50, that would be very, very niche specific. If you did CrossFit for men over the age of 50, let's say, that would be very niche specific, and you could offer a product that would benefit that niche. So when you niche it down, you're going to get very good. Now that doesn't mean you can't you can always do, if you wanted to create a channel around Canon DSLR cameras, great. If you wanted to create another channel that's around Sony DSLR cameras, great, you can do that, and you just talk about those products. So niche it down, create unique audiences, and sell a very, very unique product to that unique audience. You don't need a big audience in order to make a lot of money with that. So the first secret is going to be making sure that your targeted audience is very specific to the product that you're trying to promote. And it can be for any product or service that's out there. The second secret, most important, what I think is the most important thing, is going to be capturing the customer before you send them off to your affiliate. Okay, now let me explain this. When you set up a link straight to Amazon, okay, somebody buys a product, well, you don't really have that customer. You don't have the ability to capture that customer. You can't follow up with that customer. Amazon has that customer, and now what they do is they just start promoting all kinds of other products. So if you had a DSLR camera that you sold, went to Amazon, Amazon's going to sell that person all kinds of other stuff: lenses, batteries, camera kits, stands, all kinds of other stuff. But you wouldn't get any commission for that. So what you would do is, instead of sending straight to an Amazon link, you would send them to an opt-in form. An opt-in form would capture an email, a name and email, and now they're going to be on your list. You own the customer. You can send out more information. So if somebody comes to your website and they get they get onto your list, now they're on your list. They're very specific. They're very niche specific. So you could send them information about cameras. You could send them information about stands. You could send them information about all kinds of other stuff. See how you would increase your revenue by having captured that customer? It works with any product or service out there. If you're into fitness, you can capture the email. You can capture the customer before you send them to your affiliate link. When you do this, you're able to follow up with them. You're able to market more products. You're able to get more information out to your customer base. Okay. So second strategy is going to be, second secret is going to be making sure you capture the customer before you send them off to your affiliate link. And the third secret to making affiliate marketing more profitable for you is going to be tracking. Okay, tracking is all it is just making sure that whatever you're doing online, if you're buying traffic, if you're posting on YouTube, YouTube videos, or if you're posting on Facebook, or if you're posting on Twitter, the ability to track exactly what you're doing to see where the conversions are happening. Now, sometimes with some of the affiliate marketing products like Amazon, they're not going to really give you data on tracking, but most of the other ones are going to give you data. So ClickBank, CJ, all these are going to give you the ability to track your to track where your traffic is coming from. So what you would do, let's say for ClickBank, you would create a unique link that's strictly just for Twitter. And then so every time you post to Twitter, the end of your ClickBank link would say like Twitter on it. So then every time you're posted on Twitter and somebody makes a sale, you'll see that inside of your stats. Same thing with JVZoo, Warrior Plus, with CJ. All of these allow you to paste kind of paste a unique wording, anything like that at the end of your link. That way you can track it. So then you're not really wasting a lot of time, because if you're spending a ton of time on Twitter and it's not converting, then you don't want to continue doing that. If you are spending a lot of time on Facebook and you get a lot of conversions on that, then you want to combine all of your efforts into Facebook. If you're buying traffic on Facebook ads and it's not converting for you, you can't keep spending money, because then you're just losing money. If you're buying ads on Google AdWords and you're converting really well with that, then you would just continue to spend on Google AdWords. So tracking is going to be so important to do that, and you can do this with if you capture you capture your customer, and then you send out links in email. Well, then you can put the tracking link inside of the email when you send it out, and you'll see, hey, all of my efforts coming from my email marketing. Okay, you can see all that, so you track it. So again, the three secrets are going to be making sure you have a targeted audience for that specific product or service that you're promoting. The second one is going to be capturing the customer before you send them off to your affiliate link. That way you can follow up and you can promote more products, and then you increase your profits. And the last thing is going to be tracking everything you do. So if you're posting, promoting, buying traffic, whatever it is you're doing online, you want to track it and see where the conversions are happening. Where are you making the money from? And when you see that, then all you do is you just double up, triple up, add more to whatever you're doing to make that money, or whatever you're doing to make those conversions happen for you, okay? So those are the 3 secrets. If you like that, click on the like button. Also share with your friends. Comment below, let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoy that, and we will see you on the next one.